Okay. Question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3/5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, picture cannot be more than 7.3/10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Now it is clear here that width of picture is more than the frame. This is the, for example, picture, and length width of frame is this much. Then this is the extra part of picture you have to trim. But how much, that you have to find out. Now it is very easy, it's clear only. You have to do subtraction. The width of picture and the width of frame it is given, both the dimensions given. Simple, subtract them. Again same method, convert into improper fractions, find out LCM, make equivalent fractions, subtract them. You will get 3/10 centimeter. That means the picture should be trimmed by 3/10 centimeter. In all the examples, same method you have to follow. First you find out how to find the LCM, how to convert into mixed fraction, how to convert improper fraction from the mixed fraction, how to make equivalent fractions. If you know this all things, if you will know all these things, then definitely you will know the sum, how to solve it. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3/5 part of 3/5 part of an apple. You have to read it as a 3/5 part. The remaining apple was eaten by her brother. Okay. Now full apple, like pizza, we have to consider one part. Out of one part, 3/5 part eaten by Ritu. What is the remaining part? If you want to find out remaining part, then you have to subtract from 1. That is a 2/5. Remaining part eaten by Somu. Now it is very clear. Part eaten by Ritu, 3/5. Part eaten by Somu, 2/5. Okay. Now how much part of apple did Somu eat? Somu eat 2/5 part. Who had the larger share? 3/5 is greater than 2/5. Then 3/5 part eaten by Ritu. Then Ritu had the larger share. By how much? How much? By how much it means? Do subtraction. 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1/5. 1/5 part. Thus Ritu's part is 1/5 more than the Somu's part. Question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Time taken by Michael to color the picture. Time taken by Vaibhav. Who worked longer? It means whose fraction is greater. To find out them, you have to find their LCM. After finding LCM, convert into equivalent fractions. Okay, LCM is 12. This is the 7/12. Michael's time to color the picture, and 3/4 multiplied by 3 to get the 12 in the denominator. So another part will be 9/12. Now 9/12 is greater than 7/12. Okay. So this 9/12 hour taken by Vaibhav. It means Vaibhav worked longer time. By how much? Again do subtraction. You will get 1/6 hour. Thus Vaibhav took 1/6 hour, 1/6 hour more than Michael. Okay. Here exercise 2.1 is over. In the next video we will continue with exercise 2.1. Till then you practice lesson number 1 and you have to write all the examples in your fair notebook. But directly don't write all the examples in notebook. First you practice in a rough book, try to understand all the examples, then you write in the notebook. Thank you.